Once upon a time, in a verdant meadow scattered with wildflowers, two seeds were nestled side by side in the nurturing embrace of the earth. From the onset, these seeds, identical in appearance, embarked on contrasting journeys of growth. One seed, brimming with optimism and determination, began to sprout roots downwards vigorously. It withstood the harsh cold winters and stifling hot summers, never deterred. Through storms, droughts, and adversities, it remained patient, steadfastly sinking its roots deeper into the soil, ever eager to taste the life above ground. On the flip side, the second seed, fueled by fear and apprehension, refused to embrace change. It stayed dormant, choosing the comfort of its hard shell over the unknown world out there. It was afraid of the sun's scorching heat, the winter's chilling cold, and the unforgiving cruelty of the seasons that may harm it. Unlike its companion, it chose fear over growth, the known over the unknown. In time, the first seed's patient toil and bravery paid off as it blossomed into a beautiful, strong tree. However, the second seed, in its refusal to take any risks, remained buried, withering away in solitude. This poignant parable of the two seeds underlines the import of patience, courage, and resilience in life's endless battles, virtues that determine whether we flourish or wither.